What's going on, YouTube? Did you miss me? Alright, today I got another video for you guys. Not too long ago, I designed masks. Since we're still dealing with this whole COVID thing, I wanted to design a mask, that I could sell and make people feel comfortable about wearing a mask out in public, because they have something on their face that looks real fresh. Alright, so I got the package in today. I had my manufacturers over and trying to make it up. Alright, it got shipped via EMS. Normally it comes DHL, but my manufacturers, they let me know there was a problem with DHL. It looks like they tried to ship it initially via DHL. Alright, because it's in this yellow packaging, but something must have went wrong. But anyways, I'm gonna unbag this thing with you guys, and after I show you the mask, I'm gonna actually show you the steps that I took to designing the mask. All right, so let's get right on into this thing. All right, okay. I ain't gonna show you guys my address. You don't need to see my address. You don't want to know why I like that, right? You just want to see the mask. Let's check out this mask. Put this thing open. Alright, it's a cotton mask. Told him I wanted cotton. And should have brought my scissors down here, but whatever. It took long because when I first submitted it, it was like they were on a holiday or what have you. So as soon as they got off the holiday, they hop right on to it. Alright. Bear with me. As usual, as always, I hope everybody's doing alright. Alright, here's the packaging that it came in. All this Chinese writing. Looks like they threw some material in there. Let's check this thing out. Normally when I get a sample made, nothing extra comes with it, but then again, I never got a mask made, so looks like they sent, some colors. It's like a color chart, and they all feel the same. Yeah, all the materials feel pretty much the same. It's just a color chart. I don't know. I didn't ask for that, but thank you. Whoa, and I already love it. There it is. Exactly how I designed it. Let's try it on. Beautiful. Not too tight. I can breathe in it. Alright. So, like I said, I'm going to show you guys how the process started. And let's go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. So first thing you have to do is go into Google and find yourself a base, a template rather. Alright. So I went in and I picked something like this. Alright, basic black mask. I downloaded it to my computer. Alright, now as far as my program that I use for doing my editing or my designing, I use a program powered by Stahls called CADWorks. Here it is right here. You have to create an account first. So let me go ahead and just log right in. Log in. My information is already saved, so let's log in. Now, the additional pages are going to pop up. All right. So all I have to do now is go into my designs. All right. Once you get into design, you hit Launch Design Studio 2 is what I use here. There's a few different other tools here that are available, but I use Launch Design Studio 2, and this is completely free. This is no Adobe, so you don't have to worry about having a monthly account and deal with that headache. So this will save you some money. So once again, it's Stahls. It's a program powered by Stahls called CADWorks. All right. So all my files, everything I ever created is right here in this little folder right here called my files. All right. So let's back out of that. Go back in Design Studio 2. All right. Let's go to My Files. All right. So here's the base. Let's open it up. Okay, so here's the mask. Now what I did was I just go to File, Open. I look for my font. Font's in here somewhere. All right. Well, my font is in there somewhere, so I just import my font, my DCYLP font, into my design studio, and I just start placing my DCYLP font all over this mask here, right here, the base, and it ends up coming out like this. All right, so there you go. Now, once I had that, I just saved it to my computer and I just submitted it to my manufacturer. All right, now when it comes to manufacturers, you know, uh, let me get out of this. When it comes to manufacturers, people always ask, who do you work with? Who do you deal with? There's millions of different manufacturers out there. Me per se, my manufacturer is based out of China, but I use other manufacturers in the United States as well that I found via Google. People, Google is your life. You can find anything on Google. Instagram as well. This is not like back in the days where you can't find anything that you're looking for. Go on Instagram. If you hashtag manufacturers or if you hashtag mask, whatever you're looking for, millions upon millions of things will pop up. So you pick and choose what works for you. You won't believe because of all the designs and work that I do and I put out on Instagram, there's always manufacturers in my DM looking to do business with me. So all you have to do is either Google manufacturers or go on Instagram and go on the hashtag, type in what you're looking for, and people will come knocking at your page. Trust me when I tell you. So yeah, that's it. That's how I designed my mask. I wish I could have got into more detail as far as me actually designing the whole things with you guys, but I'm limited. I'm actually doing this on my phone. So yeah, be on the lookout for my next video. I'm gonna have these up on the website, these masks. If you want to purchase one, go to directioncyop.com. The masks are $10. The quality is phenomenal. Trust me when I tell you. All right. Once again, everybody, as always, be safe, take care of yourself, and always choose your own path. Boom.
The message is always in the cloth, the colors, the designs, the fit. Basic. Pay attention, stay alert, and remember, choose your own path.